episode 161 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, we will take a look at a Tweezer Bottom trade setup. A Tweezer Bottom trade setup is a bullish reversal signal. So at this point, we're looking for a price to start going up. So let's go to the charts and let's take a look at how we identify this trade setup, where to enter the trade, where to place our stop loss, and most importantly, where to exit the trade with a profit. We're looking at a Tweezer Bottom trade setup. This is pound US dollar daily chart. A Tweezer Bottom trade setup is formed with two candlesticks. We have two candlesticks with small bodies and long pins towards the bottom. This shows us that the price is rejecting this previous support level and price is likely to move higher. Once we see these candlesticks with small bodies and long pins in the bottom, we are ready to enter our trade. We can enter the trade either at the close of the candle here, or we can look for a pullback, so our stop will be a little bit smaller. So either way, we enter the trade long. Our stop goes below the pins here, making sure there is enough room for the trade to breathe in case price wants to come and test the support level once again. As we can see here, the next candle does try to come lower and test the price, but our stop needs to be a little bit lower here below the pin. But our stop needs to be lower here below the pin so that we don't get taken out just for a retest. Once we enter the trade long, we stay with the trade for as long as price is moving higher, and we trail our stop behind the previous candles. Once we see this reversal candle in the opposite direction, we see a big pin on top, very good body on the candle here. This shows that price is likely to pull back or even come lower. So this is a good time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 405 pips in the trade. So just to recap here, we are looking at a Tweezer Bottom trade setup. Tweezer Bottoms look like this. We have two large pins and two candles with small candle bodies. Once we see this type of a trade setup, we are looking for an entry long. We enter the trade at the close of the candle or on a pullback. So our stop goes below the previous pin here, making sure there's enough room for the trade to breathe. And we enter the trade long and we stay with the trade, trailing our stop as long as the price is moving higher. Once we get a solid bearish candle close here, it is time for us to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we get 405 pips in a trade. So our profit is 405 pips or $4,050 if trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/forex course. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. I hope you enjoyed this trade setup. If you like this episode, please feel free to subscribe to the channel as well as share it with your friends who may find this beneficial. I'll be back with another great trade setup next time.